In today's video, I will be showing you how I make rose water at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself beauty videos and other natural skincare goodness. For this DIY, you'll need a large pot, a glass lid, a saucer, a small bowl, 2 to 3 organic roses, and distilled water. Start by picking 2 to 3 fresh organic roses and separating the petals from the stems. You want to make sure that the roses are clean and pesticide-free, which is why I recommend using organic roses. Even when you're using organic roses, be sure to give them a quick rinse beforehand to remove any dirt. A little trick to speed up the petal plucking process is to grab the stem at the base of the rose, tear it out, and separate the rose petals. This will save you time from having to pluck each individual petal one at a time. Place a heat-safe saucer upside down in your large pot and then a heat-safe bowl on top of the saucer. Arrange the rose petals around the saucer and the bowl and cover them with distilled water. Add just enough water to cover the petals because adding too much water will dilute the rose water. Next, you want to cover the pot with a glass lid. Place the lid upside down, that way you can put ice on top of it. This will help to speed up the distillation process. This method will give you 2 types of rose water. The first you'll find in the small bowl that we've placed inside the pot. This is the purest form of rose water. During this process, as the water simmers, steam collects on the lid and drips into the small bowl. The second form of rose water is the one in the pot with the roses. Although this rose water isn't as pure, it still has many benefits and uses. Let the roses simmer until they lose their color completely. This can take anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes. Once the roses lose their color, you can take the small bowl out of the pot and remove the pot from the stove. Pour the rose hydrosol that has collected into the bowl into a glass container. This rose water is perfect to use as a toner. All you need to do is spray directly onto cleansed skin before applying your serum and your moisturizer. Use the rest of the water in the pot by straining the rose petals from the water. As I mentioned before, this rose water isn't as pure, but it still has many benefits and you can use it in a variety of different ways. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce redness and calm the skin. It's also extremely refreshing and hydrating. You can use it as a toner, a mixing medium for powdered mask, a hair rinse, and in many other different do-it-yourself beauty recipes. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up as it does help my channel out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.